coming to work. My name is Nihankita. I am studying UKG. My school name is Emmanuel School. My class teacher name is Sabiha ma'am. Today activity panda animal. Hi, I am a panda. 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 I am a panda. Hi, I am a panda.
Atma.
Hi, I am a panda. 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 I am a panda. I am a panda.